Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make sweet potato hummus. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make sweet potato hummus. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with one sweet potato. We're going to have 4 ounces of fire roasted red peppers, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a couple dashes of some hot sauce and some parsley. We're just going to use it for garnish. So let's get busy making this. Alright, first thing we want to do is start out with our sweet potato. This has been cooked thoroughly through. And I'm just going to take the skins off of it, or the skin I guess, there's not more than one skin. It's easier to do when it's still kind of warm. You do it with a paring knife as well. Any bad spots on there, you want to make sure that you're getting those off too. Double check, make sure you don't have any skin on there. And just going to cut them up small enough to fit into a food processor or a blender, whatever you've got. I don't have a blender, as we all know, but I do have a nice little NutriBullet. It's kind of put everything in there. Same thing with our red pepper. You just put that right in there as well. We'll take our lemon, make sure you don't get a seed in there, and then we're just going to squeeze about the 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. Alright, so you've got everything in the food processor here, getting a little bit tight. This makes about 2 cups. With your sweet potato size, make sure you get a large potato, or you can use 2 small. Put our cumin in there, and our garlic. I did add the hot sauce. We're just going to put our lid right on here. We're just gonna blend it up and shake that up a little bit. Get everything in there. Make sure it gets blended. You should get a beautiful pureed sweet potato mixture in there. We're going to put this into some bowls and some crackers and some other good stuff. We're going to take some photos of it, and we'll be right back to taste it. Beautiful. It's got a very vibrant color to it. I can smell the cumin and that hot sauce in there as well, and the garlic. So we're going to go ahead and give this a taste now. Very earthy. You can taste the sweet potato, of course. That cumin's coming right through there. The lemon, the zest from that lemon. Ideally, you want to chill this for about a day and eat it. It's still got a little bit of warmth to it from that sweet potato. And you remember when you go to store this, make sure this is completely chilled before you cover it back up and put it in the refrigerator, because you don't want it to spoil or gather mold. Good flavor in here. You notice we did not use any salt or oil in this. We just used some different flavoring with the lemon and the garlic. No salt or oil, so heart healthy, very fragrant, very good. Of course, I'm getting a ton of sodium off these crackers, but this is very good, very good. That cumin really makes out some good flavor in there. All right, like I said, make sure you chill it really well before you go to store it. You can put everything back into your container that you've got. If it's got a lid, go ahead and just put that right into the refrigerator. But like I said, you want to make sure it's chilled again. So leave the lid off, put it in there until it's completely, chilled up a little bit. Stir it up if you have to, and then keep it in a sealed, tight container. This will probably be gone in a little while anyway, once everybody tastes it and sees what it's all about. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We made sweet potato hummus. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.